We have talked about what biosensors are and their components. Now let's address a fundamental question. Why biosensors? What makes them so valuable and increasingly indispensable in various fields? The why can be summarized by several key advantages as highlighted here. First, specificity. Biosensors are designed with high specific biomolecular recognition elements. This means they can pick out a particular target analyte even in a complex mixture, like finding a specific molecule in blood. This specificity is crucial for accurate diagnostics and monitoring. They are simple to use. Think about home glucose monitors. They are designed for operation by individuals without specialized training, making healthcare more accessible. Biosensors can be used for continuous monitoring. They can provide you quick results. They are cost effective. Biosensors are able to detect very low concentrations of analyte. They are user-friendly, simple, or easy to use. Biosensors are robust and durable, not requiring refrigerated storage. Mostly, biosensors are portable, or you can say they are very small in size. You can carry them with you. So, there are many more advantages. The advantages are not limited to this slide. So, why biosensors? Because they offer a powerful combination of key advantages like specificity, simplicity, rapidity, affordability, sensitivity, portability, user friendliness, continuous monitoring capability, etc. They are enabling us to detect and quantify substances in ways that are more efficient, accessible, and impactful than ever before. So let's meet in the next lecture for further discussions on biosensor.